Welcome to Royal Caribbean's Spectrum of the Seas, room 7134. This is a balcony cabin. Here's your standard bathroom with the Royal Caribbean ships. You have a glass shower door. They have this Salt and Braise double duty hair and body wash. You have a soap holder there. There's a little bar at the bottom, I believe for shaving. And then there is your shower head and your adjustable knobs for heat and control of the shower. And then of course your toilet. And you have your trash can down there, toilet paper, linens, and then your sink. They give you a small bar of soap. Coming out of the bathroom, you have a large sofa. It is a cloth sofa. You have your first closet, hangers, but it is a very good sized closet. It does have a laundry service bag and slip attached to the hanger. You do have a lamp, and then there is a dresser. You have your coffee set up in the room, which is nice. I do not see this on the ships back in America. We are currently sailing out of Singapore. Like I said, Spectrum of the Seas, it is January 2nd, 2024 as I record this. So, like I said, a kettle in the room. So if you want to have tea, they do have tea bags. Here's your standard paperwork provided by the cruise line. This is for the internet service on board and just some of the amenities that they have regarding the dining packages, shore excursions, photos, the casino, shopping. They also include 2 bottles of water when you first arrive. There's a full-length mirror just when you walk into the room to your right side. And then on your door, they have the little magnet that you can let your room steward know that you are sleeping and that you're in the room. And then also your thermostat. And then to keep the lights and your thermostat on in the room, there's your little key card holder. And then you have a vanity. It's another mirror, but not a full-length one. Here's your outlets. You have 2 USB ports. And you have your chair there, trash can. And then with the dresser here, and here down here at the bottom, here's the refrigerator or cooler, as it's considered. Hair dryer, tissues, Caribbean breakfast menu and mini bar. So this is basically menus. And then these drawers are all empty. Getting over to our next closet beside the bed. This one's divided. The one section has a full-length closet for your dresses and longer items. And then the other side is divided into sections where you can store your items. And then in the middle there is a safe. It is not a very large safe. You could probably store a tablet in here, but you could not store a laptop in here. It's not very big. But you could store jewelry in there and a wallet, phone. And then here it's 2 drawers at the bottom for more storage. There's a phone here on the side of the bed, a nightstand. This bed is set up, this room's set up with a king-size bed. Here's your TV, it's a flat screen. There's another outlet here beside the bed, which is a very nice feature. And shelves on the nightstand as well. Another look at the room. And then we will go ahead and check out the balcony. Here's the going out to the balcony. There is a child lock on this balcony door. And it says here, for your comfort, the door must be locked for air conditioning to operate. So just FYI. And then this door does not, actually, to put it in better words, this door slides. It does not go in or out. As I mentioned, we are in Singapore, in Marina Bay. There are 2 chairs on this balcony, and they both will recline. And they both have a footstool with them. And this cabin is 7134, so we are on the even side of the ship. Here's a look at the bay itself. I don't know if the video does do it justice, but the water is like a jade color.